Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with the Simon Says stamp order, and this is a kit order, which I haven't ordered one of these in a long time. I really like this kit, so I can't wait to share with you. Alright, let's hop into it. Hold on, let me open it up. Alrighty, so here we go. Alright, so let's see here. Okay, that's coupon, super nice. And here is a die set and a sticker set. Summer, spring, winter, autumn. I think I ordered this in addition to, so these are just seasonal stamps and dies that go together. So I'm super excited about this. Sometimes I just need a stamp set that's that general, especially in journaling, things like that. So I really like this, and I love the die cuts that go with it. So it should be fun. Now, here's the kit. Uh-oh. I don't know. Maybe that came with it. So let's see. Alrighty, let me get this out of the way, and we can look. Okay, so, excuse the rattle. I have not opened this. I have just opened the box. So I am looking with you. And I can't even remember exactly. It's been a while since I had ordered this. So, okay, so first thing, they always send, she used to send Dum Dums, lollipops. This one is Charms. So, there you go. That's going to be fun. And then we also got a glitter duster, which is what this goes with. So, that's something new I have not used, so I can't wait to use that. So, let's get down into here, this part. So, okay. So this is the Leafy Frames. It's a kit that includes Leafy Frames 6x8 clear stamp set, 12 double-sided sheets of Carta Bella Botanical Garden, 6x6 paper, 1 packet of Carta Bella Botanical Garden. Hold on a second. I've got a thing going off on my phone. An alert. Okay. The Carta Bella Botanical Gardens frames and tag ephemera, 1 bundle of Kaiser Craft Coconut Mini Paper Blooms, 1 jar of Tim Holtz Ranger Clear Rock Candy Distressed Glitter, 1 Stampers Anonymous Glitter Duster, 1 each of Simon Says envelopes in metallic green leaf, metallic black, metallic gold, and white, 1 each of Simon Says stamp 1 pound cardstock in green leaf, cotton candy, ivory, and black, and 1 sheet of 100 pound Nina's Desert Storm cardstock. So, here's some of the things that we can make. And so here is that piece of cardstock. So let me scooch this out of the way. That green. And here is the black. Yep, black. I did check both sides. White and pink, and then that Desert Storm color. Okay. Then here is our mini paper blooms by Kaiser Craft. So pretty. And then envelope, white, black, green, and gold metallic envelope. Super pretty. Ooh, that one kind of came. Undo that one. Here is our 6x6, hold on, paper. So this is, it's two-sided, so super pretty. Oh, I love that one. Sorry, we've got actual, can't believe we have shadows here. Sorry, guys. Let me get out of the way. Oh, I love that. I know. Anything pink and roses and floral. I know. Red. And then there's the black. Oh, I love that too. And that's pretty. That dotted Swiss. Oh, I love that. That's really pretty. Pretty again. And more pretty. Ooh, love that. Love that pink and green and black. And the pink striped. And then there's one more with leaves. So super, super pretty. Okay. With this, we also get a huge stamp set. This is why I got it. Always here for you, proud of you, faraway hugs and kisses. You're faraway hugs, hug and kisses. You're amazing. You are always in my heart. Just because. Hello, smiles, love. You, joy and love. So sending you joy and love, birthday joy, love, thanks, and then just pretty frames and florals. So I love that. I think that's really pretty and extremely usable. And then last but not least, we have the Carta Bella Botanical Garden ephemera. So, let's see what that looks like. I mean, we can see the back, but, you know, it's nothing like looking at it firsthand. So, shine. Oh, I love that. And love, and that kind of punches out. Ooh, I love that. That insert punches out. Choose joy, love that. Family, where life begins, love, and never ends. Okay, that's pretty. Friendship makes good times even better. It's another punch out here, and I'm trying to see. It says love begins with you. That is very faint, but it is really pretty. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. I love that. Dance like no one is watching. Family. Our story. Stand tall. Love. Sorry, didn't mean to just fly out. Another tag, life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. Amen. Surround yourself with good. And then here are some darling little tiny tags. Aren't those cute? So super cute. The white, the khaki, the pink. Here's a sweet thank you. Friends become our chosen family. That is so true. Follow your dreams. It's good for your skin. I can hardly see it's good for your skin, but that's really cute. Blessed. Another pretty kind of banner. Oops. Uh-oh, got stuff falling. And pretty flowers. Collect moments. Again, it's another frame that you can punch out or keep it together. Another tag. Chase dreams. Whatever you are, be good. Be a good one. Amen. Life is better with you, and those together is my favorite place to be with you. So super cute. All right, that is a darling, wonderful haul. Again, we've got the glitter and the spritzer and, or what is it, glitter duster. That should be fun. That should be messy. All right, my friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You know, again, like, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. Share, leave a comment, and if you have any questions, let me know. And of course, the cherry on the top is the lollipop. So anyways, all right, my dear sweet friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping in. I look forward to talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.